All right, we're here. It's Monday. We are open, 99.9% open, not fully open. We can do backgrounds, we can do all credit cards, we can do all that.
We got that Elon thing.
Yes, thank you, Elon Musk, for Starlink. That was a good investment a few years ago.
Yes, it was. We used it quite a bit, actually.
So we had last week, we had opened up the shop off a generator.
Yeah.
And Elon. We got power back.
You have power.
Everybody out there's got power back.
Our phones may or may not work, maybe.
I don't have power. Phones probably don't work.
Yep.
So they work.
I think we got them working. I did get a
Guy was shaking his head saying they work.
at a random call.
We just had the sheriff's office here because we set the alarm off this morning.
Oops.
It's Monday.
Hey, it's working at least then.
Yes. So again, we are here, normal hours. Damage, we got nothing on this side.
No, this side's pretty good. We got wet, but
We'll turn you out back and messy. We got that cleaned up the next morning.
ceiling tiles shook a bunch of dirt loose, but that was like about it over here. That one got.
We dusted. Sorry, here comes our.
Here comes more people's.
We lost the window, but we are open. Everything's up and going. And
We got pew-pews and ammo and all that. Everyone I know is messaging me about ammo, so we got it.
we got this. You can load up your lube shooter.
He can thumbs up to down a line, whatever. Whatever.
I'm gonna ask you.
Hey, Fonzie. It's one of those weeks, man. It's one of those weeks.
Let us finish opening up next door with our plywood window, and we'll talk to you later. Stop in and see us.
We're going to start drinking now.
Yes.
Fine. Are you zooming in on me? Don't sit